Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with what matters. Sign into LinkedIn and open jobs. Once signed in, type the job title and location at the top search. Use keywords and toggle remote if needed because precision drives better alerts. Make sure to set experience level and filters now. That reduces noise. Once you see relevant listings, pause, don't scroll endlessly, because the next step turns that search into an active alert. Now create the alert from the search results by clicking Create Alert or flipping the Job Alert toggle. You'll customize frequency, daily if you want speed, weekly for less noise, and select delivery via email or push notifications. Once done, refine filters, company size, experience, and date posted so only relevant roles trigger alerts. Make sure to save these settings, otherwise they revert to defaults and you'll get irrelevant notices. Finish by managing alerts. Go to Jobs, then Job Alerts to edit, pause, or delete any alert you created. If you stop receiving alerts, check LinkedIn notification settings and your email spam or filters because delivery issues are usually local. Once you've confirmed settings, recreate the alert if needed using tighter keywords. One key troubleshooting tip: if alerts behave oddly, delete and recreate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.